Hello everyone. My name is Wilma Mabini, Sales Master from Atomy Italia. Welcome po sa lahat and this is our introduction about Atomy. Over 15 million members, hindi lang sa Korea but around the world kasi globally ang Atomy. You can find Atomy in other countries like sa USA, sa Philippines, sa Europe, like open for last 2018. Atomy is the new global distribution platform founded last June 1, 2009 ng ating founder na si Mr. Hanjil Park. And at the moment, pandemic man o hindi, di ba, halos tayo ay natutunang mag-purchase through online. Alam nyo ba na ang Atomy gives opportunity na habang nagpo-purchase ka, pwede kang kumita sa bawat products na binibili mo, necessities items, yung mga ginagamit natin everyday at home. Makikita nyo dito, napakaraming countries na merong Atomy. Means, global sourcing, global sales, nakakaya ng Atomy na mag-deliver ng mga products from South Korea to different countries. Hallmark Korea has been established for so many years. And sila yung mga nagpo-produce for some well-known brands like yung mga kilala nating Face Shop, sa Chanel, sa Avon, and it's free. Even yung Amway, sila pa rin na gumagawa sa beauty products. So, Atomy, we have righteous marketing plans. So, anong pagkakaiba ng Atomy sa ibang company? Unang-una is free ang membership. No monthly or yung annual fee na nangyayari sa ibang company. Wala tayong website usage fee. Walang automatic na monthly purchases na katulad nung mga naranasan namin sa ibang company, and you can start Atomy nang wala kang kapital na nilalabas. We have 3 ways to earn. Meron tayong education center, tayong general commission, and mastership bonus. Doon sa education center, based sa total sales na, you will receive the 6% given by the company para matulungan ka in your operational expenses. Atomy products have point value or PV na tinatawag. So madidinig nyo lagi ito kasi dito nakabase yung ating commission. There are 2 types of membership in Atomy. One is maging consumer ka lang kung saan pwede kang mag-purchase ng all Korean product. You will accumulate points regularly but wala kang kitain. Unlike dun sa business partner or yung verified distributor, mag-accumulate ka ng points and you will receive incentives, travel, at pwede kang maging car achiever. Paano tayo kikita, makakuha ng commission through accumulating